Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready and signed in where needed. On phone A, go to Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Google, and confirm the account you want to share. This ensures you're not duplicating a different address. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi is active so sync works smoothly. If you use two-step verification, have your secondary device or code ready. That prevents lockouts. This initial check avoids interruptions and sets a secure foundation before you add the account on the second phone. Now on phone B, you add the same Google account, open Settings, choose Accounts, then add account and select Google. Enter your email and password exactly because typos create wasted steps. When prompted, grant permissions for contacts, calendar, and apps so sync works. This is why you did the Wi-Fi check. If a two-step prompt appears on phone A, approve it or enter the code here. Do that promptly. Once accepted, sync will start and your mail, contacts, and calendar begin to populate. Finish by confirming that Gmail, contacts, and calendar show current items. Open each app and refresh to verify. Then review device access in your Google account security settings and remove any old or unfamiliar devices. This protects you. If syncing stalls, force a manual sync in settings or toggle the account off and on. That often clears issues. As one troubleshooting tip, remove and re-add the account only if necessary, because it fully resets sync and.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.